Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to start a new Excel series. This will be basic to advanced. So we will start from basic and end with advanced Excel. We will grow slowly, step by step to toward to advanced Excel. So today we are going to start it from basic. In the basic, we are discussing today count and count a and countif function today. So let's get started. And before started that, I requested you to kindly subscribe my channel and like my video and press the bell icon to get the latest video and latest knowledge on Excel, Power BI, and SQL. And if you guys have facing any issues with related to Excel, Power BI, SQL, you can mention the comment and you can mention in comment, and I will upload the video on that topic. Also, you can mail me on my mail ID, which is business.viru@gmail.com. So I will reply to you with the resolution. Okay. So we are going to discussing count function. So basically, count function gives you the numeric count on any range, on any data. You can get it. So applying that count and select the range from A1 to A9 and close the bracket, press the enter, and it's giving the count only numeric count here. It's a 4 4 is the only numeric count for this range. And the count function gives you the all the count, like numeric, text, which is in the range. It's give all the count for that. Okay, so you can check here count a and select the range from A1 to A9, which is having the data. Okay, it's giving 9. And if anyone asks you what is the count of text value in the given range, so how can you do that? You have to first apply the count all the words, and all the words like numeric and text, all those words. And after that you have to minus count, because count will count only numeric value. So you can so that we will get the text value only. So how can you do that? You can see here count a. Okay, select the range. Okay, you can see here it's giving 9. It's all the value in this range, and minus you have to apply here count and select the range. Okay, it's giving text count is only 5. 5 text is here in the range. Okay, so I hope this will clear the difference between count a and count to you. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, you can mention your question in comment section. I will definitely create the video on that particular topic, and you can see your resolution. Otherwise, you can mail me on business.viru@gmail.com. I will surely reply here related to any Excel query, Power BI, SQL. Okay, so let's come on next topic. Here is we will discussing Countif and Countifs. So there is the job ID and J column. Okay, and job ID in data, our data is, so I am changing the color so that it will differentiate the data and questions. Our question is this job ID. We have to count the job ID in the given data, and job ID in the data in our job ID contain an F column. So we are applying here Countif. So before that, I want to tell you Countif function provide you the count of with one criteria range, and with only single criteria range. And Countifs work on the multiple criteria range. You can mention here multiple criteria range and multiple criteria. Okay. So here we are applying here Countif range. It's asking for range. Range would be criteria range. Okay. It should be F column because we are going to count a job ID from F column. Okay. Criteria or criteria is here mentioned on J column. Okay. So it will give the count for all the job ID. Okay. Here you can see all the job ID count is available here. Okay. So next our next topic is Countifs. Next function we are going to discussing here. Okay. So applying here Countif S. So you can see here it's asking for criteria range 1 criteria, then criteria 1 again. After that it will ask for criteria range 2, criteria range 2, criteria 2, criteria range 3, and so on. So it can work on multiple criteria range you can mention here. Okay, so let's see. We have to count job ID. Here we have to count the job ID with UK location. So Countifs criteria range. First criteria range is job ID. Okay. As previously we have selected this one with Countif form function also. And second criteria range, because we are asking for provide the job ID with UK location only. Okay, which having the location is UK. Okay. So location is giving on G column. So we have selected the G column. Okay. Then criteria 2. Criteria 2 we have mentioned here on M1 column. Okay. Select the criteria and lock it. You can lock your criteria or range using F4 key on your keyboard. So because if you not lock it, it will be move. When you drag your formula, it will move and it will give the incorrect result. Okay. So that here you can see job ID with UK location only. Okay. So I hope this video will be informative for you. And if you have any questions, any suggestion, you can mention that on comment section, or you can mail me on my mail ID business.viru@gmail.com. Surely I will reply you on that questions, and we'll upload the video also on that topic. And kindly subscribe my channel and share with this video with your friend and colleagues, and whoever want to come in MIS field or data analyst field, or want to start career are already working in MIS and data analyst field. You can share this video with that one. Okay, so thanks friend, and we will meet on next video very soon.